Hello my correct people, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl, your sister, Sweet Mother's Gist TV. Yes, so my beautiful people, I don't come back again with another good news, my people. Oh my word, this one it don't break record oh. Hey my people, as X-Man yours dey come hey, this one na Edo to the world Edo people just dey break record again. Good news. Èmi no mẹ́rin no mama hera mẹ́rin ní Jésù Kristi no mi ọmọ fa my people. Na another gbedu, another correct gist na I carry come. The truth dey talk am say in every successful man for life say na woman na dey their back my people. Now you understand say this story come be say na about our brother wey be say this one shock and e shock everybody, e surprise everybody say balance funny comedy don build a big mansion my country people. This one na breaking news so balance don break record my people. If una see house wey be say balance ọ̀nàwó Samuel fún avohedo no baje iyo balance ọ̀gá òhìn ọmọ òhìn wey be say pikin wey be say money dey enter your hand, you dey work hard and the money come dey come, you come dey gather am take dey do better thing. Oh my God, that kind pikin God go dey bless am, open doors go dey happen for e house. Oh my God, my people, na balance o. Make una come see the mansion wey balance build for in and her fiancé, that is Precious. Oh my God, my people, only my eye no go see this mansion. Now I say make I bring am for una, make una see am o. Balance don break record yo my people. If una dey see my channel for the first time and you never subscribe, wetin you still dey wait for? Wey be say all the new updates I go dey knack am for una, wey be say una never see for inside media, I go dey bring am for una for this our channel. I go dey knack am igbo egba abeg make una hit that button wey dey red for there, wey dey say subscribe pieme hit that red button and make you still on the agogo wey near am for there, that is the notification bell. We go make peken put am for all, wey be say anytime we will upload a new video, you go be first person wey be say you go first watch the video. So my people, na this good news na I come share with una o. I appreciate all of una wey be say una dey support us for this our channel. May God continue to be blessing every one of you. Share this video guys, share this good news, and as you share the good news, good thing go dey happen for your life. Love you all my people. Bye.